Now, what we can do with the package manager, it doesn't only allow us to install and remove programs, it allows us to keep things updated. So let's say that a new package version of one of our applications has been pushed to the repositories. We can actually type sudo apt-get upgrade, and this is going to upgrade any packages that have new versions in the repositories, and we have older versions than that on our system. So we're going to hit enter. And a little note on sudo is that when you run it once, I believe in that session in the terminal, you don't have to put your password in every time, just the first time. So here we see that we have 16 kilobytes of upgrades to do. So let's go look at that. So it looks like my KDE installation is upgradable. Good stuff. So I'm going to type Y and hit enter. Now it's going to upgrade these existing packages. So we covered a lot in this video. I want to just take a couple minutes here at the end of the video and go over what we learned. So basically, the package manager of Ubuntu and Debian-based distributions is aptitude. And we use that through a program called apt-get. Now, when we use apt-get, we can give it specific actions to carry out, like installing programs and removing them. We can also add repositories, which we're going to go over in the future, but we can add repositories that aren't the official Ubuntu repositories, and that will give us access to more applications. We can use the apt-cache program to search through available applications and to check the installed versions against, new versions in the repositories, and we can see programs that we've already got installed by using the policy action in the apt-cache program. And we can also use dpkg application to install local .deb files. So that lets us install packages that aren't in the official Ubuntu repositories and aren't in other repositories as well. So we can manually download files, make sure the architecture is for your hardware. Make sure if you're on a 64-bit system that you're installing 64-bit applications. And also, we don't use RPM. So RPM installer files are for Fedora and Red Hat variants. So typically with Ubuntu, always with Ubuntu, we're going to use .deb files, or we're going to use the apt-get and apt-cache programs to manage our software. And then the final piece is upgrading the software. So periodically, different package maintainers or developers will release new versions of their software into repositories, whether that is the official Ubuntu repositories or if it's third-party repositories that they manage specifically for their application that you have added to your system. And so using sudo apt-get upgrade allows us to upgrade packages that are available for upgrade. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to be going over more command line.